dear students, I Pallavi Kamdi on behalf of Shivpriya Junior College welcome you all in this today's result declaring session of various competitions. We Shivpriya Junior College always want our students to be champion. That's why along with studies we used to organize different competitions time to time, and you guys always show active participation in every competition. So I would like to appreciate you all for that. Now it's time to declare result for all those competitions. So dear students, hold your breath and listen carefully. In month of October, we organize activity week from 5th October to 10th October, in which first competition was Who Am I? And the winner of this competition from Commerce Group is Miss Sejal Kakade, and from Science Group, Miss Yashashvi Khadatkar. Congratulations Sejal and Yashashvi. The second competition of Activity Week was Best from West, in which participants used waste material to make something beautiful and creative. And the winner of this competition from Commerce Group is Master Roshan Baghel, and from Science Group, Miss Achal Dakte. Congratulations Roshan and Achal. On third day of Activity Week, we organized I Can Read competition, and the winner of this competition from Commerce Group is Miss Sejal Kakade, and from Science Group, Master Harshal Perkhande. Congratulations Sejal and Harshal. Fourth competition of the Activity Week was Man Ki Baat, and the winner of this competition from Science Group is Miss Kashish Singh. Congratulations Kashish. Fifth and the last competition of Activity Week was Gratitude to Corona Warriors, in which participants showed their gratitude to Corona Warriors through poems and quotes. And the winner of this competition from Commerce Group is Miss Rupali Ganar, and the winner of the same competition from Science Group is Miss Deepika Borkar. Congratulations Rupali and Deepika. Now let's come to the other competitions. Marathi Divas, which is celebrated on 27th Feb all over the Maharashtra in memory of Marathi poet Kavi Kusumagraj. On the occasion of Marathi Divas, we organized Kavita Lekhan Spardha, in which first winner is Miss Renuka Dhote from 11th Science, and second winner is Master Neeraj Gore from 11th Science, and the third winner is Miss Sejal Kakade from 11th Commerce. Congratulations Renuka, Neeraj and Sejal. On the occasion of National Science Day, we organized two competitions. First was drawing competition, in which participants were asked to make drawing on topic contribution of Indian scientists in field of science and technology. And the winner of this competition is Miss Shubhangi Dhuria from 11th Science. Congratulations Shubhangi. Second competition that we organized on the same day was essay writing competition, in which the students were asked to write essay on topic famous Indian scientist. And the first winner of this competition is Miss Kashish Singh from 11th Science, and the second winner of this competition is Master Neeraj Gore. Congratulations Kashish and Neeraj. On the occasion of National Science Day, JSW Foundation, Srimati Kishoritai Bhoyar College of Pharmacy, Kamethi, and Divisional Forest Office, Social Forestry, Nagpur, organized an inter-school online competition, Explore Flora with Medicinal Values. In this competition, our 11th Science student, Ms. Divani Pannase, bagged first prize, and she also won prize money of 4,000 rupees. Congratulations Divani, we are proud of you. On the occasion of Women's Day, we organized two competitions. First competition was Fancy Dress competition, in which participants got dressed up as any one of the great Indian women and delivered her famous dialogue. And the winner of this competition is Miss Neha Rokde. Congratulations Neha. The second competition that we organized on the same day was speech competition, and the topic of competition was She is Pearl, Let Her Shine. The first winner of this competition is Miss Kashish Singh from 11th Science, and second winner is Master Dhananjay Kavre from 12th Commerce. Congratulations Kashish and Dhananjay. 14th April, which is celebrated as birth anniversary of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. On this occasion, we organized two competitions. First was Rangoli competition, and the first winner of this competition is Miss Reena Chormare from 11th Science, and the second winner is Miss Kashish Singh from 11th Science. Congratulations Reena and Kashish. Second competition that we organized on the same day was collection of rare photograph, in which participant made collage of rare photograph of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. The first winner of this competition is Master Atharva Raut from 11th Science, and second winner is Master Nayan Boyer from 11th Science. Congratulations Atharva and Nayan. Every year, as the temperature rises in month of April and May, birds have to struggle to survive. The scarcity of water and food in summer season may lead to death of this little creature. In order to help these birds, we organized a competition, Build Bird Feeder. In this competition, participants built creative bird feeder using waste material, and the first winner of this competition is Miss Divyani Pannase from 11th Science, and the second winner of this competition is Miss Shubhangi Dhuria from 11th Science. Congratulations Divyani and Shubhangi. We appreciate those students who are always ready to participate in any competition. It shows how multi-talented you guys are. That's why we have decided to give a special appreciation to one student having maximum participation in the competition organized during the whole session. And the name of student having maximum participation is Master Neeraj Gore from 11th Science. Congratulations Neeraj, we appreciate your efforts. We, Shivpriya Junior College, never make any compromise with studies of our students. That's why even after having lockdown in this pandemic situation, we kept taking online classes of our students so that there won't be any kind of adjustment in our students' studies. And we are proud to say that all our students showed active response to all those classes. That's why we want to appreciate two students having maximum attendance during online classes. And the name of student from 11th Science having maximum attendance during online classes is Miss Kashish Singh, and from 11th Commerce, Miss Sejal Kakri. Congratulations Kashish and Sejal. So, this is all about our result declaring session today. Congratulations to all the winners and thank you everyone.